Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to NewTube day number 34. Today is the 3rd of October, and we are discussing the events that took place on the 2nd of October. So, my day yesterday, being a Sunday, woke up, checked emails, did a checklist, made a video yesterday for like this. I paid some bills. I worked on some surplus funds issues, and then I got on the treadmill. I exercised for 45 minutes of slow walking and a 3-minute jog. In the afternoon, I played a little bit more of that game, and then I had went to the office. At the office, I studied AHIP's 2 chapters of AHIP. That's the insurance certification that I need for the remainder of this year and next year. And then I ordered a name badge, and then I also tried to order business cards, but I said no, I didn't want to do that because there were some problems with that. I have to go to the real estate sales office and ask them for some help with that. But I did order the name badge, and I did study the 2 AHIP chapters, and I checked up on the office. Everything's going well at the office that I rent in downtown Claremont. In the evening, I had went to the gym, and I did 25 minutes of walking. I did a little extra walking because um, there was a football game on TV that went into overtime. The Green Bay Packers versus the New England Patriots, and the game went into overtime, and the Packers won. I'm not really a big football fan, but I appreciate the contest, and I like to watch athleticism on display. So I was, I wanted to see the game end. I wanted to see who would win because it intrigued me. But I'm not like, oh God, I gotta catch the game. Like, no, it just happened to be on the TV screen, and I was just happened to be doing my little bit of walking. So I did a lot of walking yesterday. My legs feel it today a little bit. And then I got on the massage chair at Planet Fitness. So I fulfilled my goal of going to the gym yesterday. Although it was later than what I typically go. Remote Wellness Academy. I'm on module 3-7. I wanted to knock out that video at least, but it's an hour and 20 minutes. I did an hour and 20 minutes. The video is 2.5 hours long for this particular lesson. So, I have an hour left to go, hour and 10 minutes left to go on the video for module 3-7. And then there was other work, there's a water observation project, and then there's a food intake presentation. So I'm going through those as well, completing those as well. In fact, and then I also went to the supermarket, bought a few things. I was hoping to go to the pharmacy, but the pharmacy had closed. I got the hours mixed up. And then finally coming home, really tired, wanted to go to bed, but I had book businesses to do. Because when I buy books, I'm not done. When I find the books and I buy them, then I have to put them on several sheets. I have to put them on the prep center sheet, and then I have to put them on our inventory sheet, and then I have to add the product into Amazon. Add it as an active listing and set the price that I want to sell it and all that. So it takes a little bit of time consuming. That took me about a little more than an hour to do that, and then I was ready for sleep. I was really tired at that point. So that was my day for Sunday, October the 2nd. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, and I will catch you tomorrow. Thank you.